Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest technologies and innovations. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the Google Maps VPS system. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what it is, how it works, and its potential applications. So, let's get started. Google Maps is already a powerful tool that helps us navigate and explore the world. But what if I told you that Google has taken it a step further with the introduction of the Visual Positioning Service, or VPS? Google Maps VPS brings augmented reality, AR, to the navigation experience, making it even more immersive and accurate. Let's find out how it works. Google Maps VPS utilizes a combination of GPS, visual data, and machine learning algorithms to precisely determine your location and orientation in real time. It does this by analyzing the visual features in your surroundings and matching them to the massive amount of data collected by Google Street View. When you activate the VPS mode in Google Maps, your camera becomes your guide. As you move your phone around, Google Maps continuously captures the images from your camera and compares them to the Street View imagery. By identifying distinct visual landmarks, such as buildings, street signs, and even storefronts, Google Maps can accurately determine your location and provide you with directions accordingly. Now that we understand how Google Maps VPS works, let's explore some of its key benefits and potential applications. Firstly, Google Maps VPS eliminates the need for traditional GPS signal reception. This allows you to see the route and relevant points of interest superimposed on the real-world view, making it easier to follow directions and find your way. Lastly, Google Maps VPS opens up a world of possibilities for businesses. Imagine walking down the street and receiving real-time information about nearby restaurants, shops, or attractions right on your screen. This AR integration can revolutionize the way we discover and interact with our environment. So, where can we expect to see Google Maps VPS being used in the future? Let's explore some exciting applications. One obvious application is in the tourism industry.